It is now November 1st. I wanted to see if there was any change in activity. It's twice as insane as it was before. Holy shit. Let's look for the big bouncy ones. I should have cleaned my screen. And I'm trying to pause this and it won't pause. Oh, it's alright, Angel Face. He's protecting his mama. He's a good boy. Here we are, big bouncy balls. Let's see if last year I just saw a green one. A beautiful lime green.
You recognize the name? Should I? It's a famous British soldier from World War II.
It's not dust, folks. It has direction, intention, and it follows me. It comes off of me, and it follows my hands. And every time I show my hands, it's something stuck to me. I truly am a magnet. I really am. That's my bright, shiny finger. I haven't done an energy ball in a while. At least not that I'm aware of.
No social media, no criminal record. After some digging, I found out that all his documentation appeared out of thin air a year ago. I'm sure he has other aliases too. You know what else he has?
Yeah. Blizzard. Blizzard.
School records.
Where are they going?
Which led me to this address. You need a minute?
Maybe I will tape in slow-mo. I haven't done that in a while. Alright, we're going to do that next. Do not walk on my computer, please.
This kid's got a plan.
He's going to go follow them.
So when they leave, we go in.
It's crazy. Snowing in my apartment.
How's it in broad daylight?
Unreal.
We need proof.
We'll try slow-mo. Peace out.